You guys, in Dollar General, here is the display that I took a picture of the last time I was here, but they didn't have these colors last time I came. I took a picture of these, which were the new, it says crystal shimmers. So they look more like a satin finish to me. I don't too much know if I like those, but I do like this color. And these are good. You know, I have a couple of these and I used them. And so far the colors have worked really well. So these are some more of the cream colors that they have. And I actually just bought a bunch of new polish. I probably don't even need this. And then here's some more. They have the, what's this? This is a top coat. And then these have a shimmer to it, which this one's pretty. They had a lot more up here than this. And they have these. There goes one of the Believe Beauties back there. Let's go see if they have any more of those. See if they're on sale, because last time I was here at the Believe Beauties, some of them were $1. They have some, but I don't see them on sale. Let's see. Alright, so here we go. So, yeah, they're not on sale like they were last time. But I mean, $2 isn't bad. And I think, didn't I get some of these? I can't remember which ones I got, but I did get a couple. Wow, almost all the dollar ones are gone. I can't remember which ones I have. I'm gonna have to go home and see which ones I have before I pick up any more, but they have a lot of fun, pretty colors.